I had a dream that I burped on stream. I had a dream that I burped on stream and that scared me so bad. It's been a while since I've had a stream dream where it like woke me out of a dead sleep, having me double like oh, was that real? Oh god. So I had to like I didn't know if it had actually happened. So I had to go like look at clips like Gura burp, but nothing came up, so it's alright. Oh, that was so unsatisfying. I have to do like, oh, I can't. I should have let that one rip. Ew, I hate that feeling. Thank you. Oh, okay. Ah! Oh, come on! Come on! Everything in this game wants to kill me.